I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Yes, I can tell that we are gonna be friends.
Good afternoon, my name is Sean. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Did they hang up?
Yeah, of course.